Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm here in the Dollar Tree. I always got to look at this little end cap right here in the middle of the store, but they have these little signs here that says blessed, thankful, and I also see one that says grateful. Let's see if there's any more. No, those are the only three that I see. I see that they still have the whale and the dinosaur mirrors. They have a lot of these little, what are these, little potpourri, a little conkerbird. That's what we used to call them when we were little. They have these little small baskets of bees. They have the elephants here. They have those. They still have St. Patrick's Day items. They have this photo hanger line here, and that's what it looks like. It comes with everything. Alright, I see these bottles here, but this isn't the only one that I do see. We only have that one. Let's see if they have any more. What are these right here? This is a crystal rose. This rose is a token of my love. They have that one. They still have the glasses here, the heart glasses, and here are the bottles right here, guys. They have them in this one here, pink, and this clear one right here. All right, so they also have some candles here with a little gold at the bottom, but they come in white, yellow, and I also see a red one back here. They have those. Those are really nice. They still have these candles here. And I forgot the scent. These are frosted one, and these are still, they still have a lot of Christmas items out as well, guys, in the store. A lot of the Valentine exchange cards here. They have those with the trolls, Scooby-Doo, LOL. They have tons and tons of Valentine candy left. Let's see here. Russell Stover's 4-pack of caramels. All right, so they have some more Easter items here. They have these buckets up here. They come in white. They have this one, Happy Easter Day, Happy Egg Day, and they have this one, Easter, Happy Easter. I also see the buckets. They have the bigger ones and the smaller ones. They have these little egg containers right here. You get a set of 3. They come in the turquoise, pink, and this lavender color. I also see yellow. They have a lot of the plush toys. And they also have a lot of these little baskets right here. These ones right here, they come in pink and turquoise. I also see these ones as well. I haven't been in the Dollar Tree in a while, so if I'm showing stuff that you've already seen, I do apologize. They have some of the moss bunnies right here. They come in black. And they have a lot of the little Easter baskets up here at the top up here, if you actually can see those. I see a football one, basketball, and they have a lot of nice paint sets here that are new. This is a fairy garden. I've never seen these ones before. Alright guys, so they have some ceramic stickers here if you're wanting to make your own cups and put little things on it. They have these. They have this one right here. They have a lot of, they'll have Girl Power, You Are My Sunshine, It's Okay, Everything is Magic. Let's see if they have any more. They have this one right here, if you can see that one. But they have a lot of these if you want to make different, put different items on your cups. They have those.
Incredible.
They also have these little cupcake stickers here. They have the butterflies. But they have a lot of nice stickers. Iron-on transfers. They have the flamingo. Let's flamingo. But first coffee.
Because what I told them is that, I don't know about that, but I guess
They have that one right there. Keep looking up. There may be a rainbow waiting for you. They have a lot of nice ones here. A lot of these. They have the gold stickers there. All right, more of these little stickers on this end cap right here. They have the butterflies, different ones. They have the Starburst gem stickers. They also have laser cut craft words, memory, love. I'm pretty sure they have more there, but they're all in the back. But I love that one that says memory. They have the butterflies. And they have the stars. They have a lot of the canvas panels here if you're looking to paint or anything of that nature. They have the glue sticks. They have these. They have the stencil wheels. This one says Be Wild. Let's see what this one says. Don't know what that one says. They're all mixed up and bunched up there. It's got to come down the makeup aisle, so let's see if they have anything new here. They still have these collagen hydrogel lip masks. They have those. What is this right here? This is by Hard Candy. Let's see what color it is. 773 Wink. That's what it says. And this is the only color that I do see. They have some of the Tony, the natural eyelashes there. They look very natural. Let's see what else they have. What are these? These are the True Match Mineral. It comes with the brush and the actual the makeup. Let's see. This one is a cocoa, and I think that's the only color that they do have. Yep, that's the only color that they do have. They still have the makeup brush cleaning mitts there in different colors. Still have the date night eyelashes. Let's see. Feeling Flirty. Be Mine. They still have those. Alright, so I wasn't planning on looking at the Valentine's stuff anymore, but I see these little paper cups right here in gold. And they have the little red hearts on those. Those are really cute, and it comes with a 10-piece. And let's see here, a lot of the little gift bag items here. Look at the little guy right there. You can actually put those together. These. But yeah, pretty much the same thing that they have. What are these right here? Melty bead kits right here. You can actually make your own cupcake. They have some of the red towels here. What does this cup say right here? Coffee with a side of brunch. They have a lot of the white and black bowls here, the turquoise. Pretty much the same thing, guys, that we've seen. And I'm back up here at the front. I see some of the little Buddhas. The Buddhas down there. You can put a candle on the inside. But I just wanted to pop into the Dollar Tree and see what new items they had to offer. Thank you guys so much for stopping by my channel today, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye, guys.